With Giftship's Box Builder feature, customers build their own product bundle, a gift box, right on your Shopify store. They choose their items, pick a card, and write a gift message. Then ship it to a single address or ship it to multiple addresses. Let's walk through how it works. Giftship's Box Builder gives you 3 layouts to choose from, starting with our minimal layout, Stack. Next is Parallel, with a sticky sidebar. And our corporate gifting layout, Cascade, where everything is on a single page. We're always adding new Box Builder layouts and features, and you can paste in custom CSS to match your brand. For this demo, let's focus on Stack, one of our most popular layouts. Box Builder supports 4 step styles: select products, products within a collection, images, and form fields, like a text area for gift messages, a delivery date picker, or a file upload. Create unlimited steps and set a min-max item count for each one. Customize the title and description per step and mark any step as required or optional. Box Builder also supports unlimited box sizes. Rename them to whatever you'd like. For example, small box, medium box, and large box. Box sizes can be based on either min-max items or total weight. As customers add or remove items, the box size adjusts automatically. You can even charge an extra fee for each box size, or apply a discount to encourage customers to add more. Once the customer completes a step, they move on to the next one. For this demo, the customer picks a greeting card design and clicks Next. They type their gift message and add the box to their cart. If you have Giftship's drawer cart enabled, it opens automatically. The whole gift box appears as a single product bundle. From there, the customer can check out with a single address or ship the box to multiple addresses with Giftship's multi-address feature. Create unlimited boxes with Box Builder, each with its own curated selection of items and a unique URL. Build a birthday box, an anniversary box, or a holiday box for your best customers. For corporate gifting, create a private box for a single client. Since only people with the link can find it, it feels made just for them. And that's it. Everything your customer needs to build, personalize, and ship the ultimate gift box. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.